To fix a razor that won't turn on, several issues may be the cause, including a low charge, a clogged motor, or an engaged travel lock. To resolve the problem, start by checking the charge level. Connect the razor to its charger and look for a blinking light, which indicates it's still charging. Give it time to complete the process. If there's no light, the battery is likely drained. So connect it to a charging cable and let it charge for about 5 hours. Next, inspect the motor by accessing the hair chamber, which can be done by removing the blades, and clear out any clogs that may be jamming the motor. Additionally, check if the travel lock is engaged, and if so, deactivate it by pressing the power button 3 times. After taking these steps, try using the trimmer to see if it's functioning normally. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the issue and get your razor working again.